All right, we're going to get into working with circles as part of this unit. So we need to know some of the basics about circles. We can see from this diagram that the radius is halfway through a circle. So it starts at the center and hits the outer edge of a circle. The diameter is the distance all the way across a circle going through the center. And the circumference is the distance around the circle. We're going to take a look at this this demonstration to try to figure out the relationship for circumference, or the distance around a circle. So let's take a look at this diagram. They're using these little square tiles, and it's showing us that the diameter of this circle is 52 square tiles. So we're going to look at how many squares go around the circle, or the circumference of that circle. So we can see that it goes around once, twice, 3 times, and then there's a little bit left over. So the diameter will wrap around that circle 3 times, 3 full times, and a little bit more. So we can see that kind of played out. So it goes around, it tells us approximately 3.14 times. So 3 full times and part of another time. Now, hopefully, 3.14 sounds familiar because that number is pi. So that's our relationship with circumference. Because it takes 3.14 or pi diameters to go around a circle, the circumference of a circle has a formula of circumference equals pi times diameter. Now, for this unit, we are going to be using 3.14 as pi. So when you use your calculator, please do not use the pi button. Please use 3.14 instead. So that lets me tell you that we will be using a calculator in this unit. Therefore, any work you do must show what you are putting on a calculator. So for example, if you're trying to solve a problem and you're trying to do the circumference of a circle, and you're trying to do 3.14 times 8, you don't actually have to do that calculation and show it to me longhand, but you do have to show me that that's what you're punching in the calculator. So you don't have to go over to the side and do 3.14 times 8 and do all the work, but you do have to show me that those are the buttons you're pushing on the calculator, and then you're letting me know what the calculator tells you. Again, we're using 3.14 instead of the pi button. All right, we're going to look at one quick example. Now, this circle is showing a radius. For our formula of circumference, which is pi times diameter, we need all the way across the circle. So the whole distance across that circle would be 6. So to find the circumference, I would have to do 3.14 times 6. And that would give me 18.84. And the unit's going to be inches because it's just a distance.